Hi, I'm Scott Hubble, CEO of nuCamp. You know, it's hard to believe that over 15 years ago, we began building teardrop trailers, and nearly a decade ago, we started building the Tab. It's our commitment to quality and innovation that has made nuCamp the most sought-after teardrop trailer in North America. There is a well-kept secret nestled away in eastern Tuscarawas County that even most locals don't know about. Not only is Sugar Creek home to the world's largest cuckoo clock, but it's also home to the world's largest manufacturer of teardrop trailers. In fact, nuCamp has produced more than 20,000 campers and shipped to 5 different continents, solidifying our place as the undisputed market leader in teardrop trailers.
I had this picture in my mind to come up with a really quality trailer, not a trailer like most people, but something that's really good quality. And I also knew that if we do a good quality trailer, that we need tremendous service that stands behind that quality. And we have just an awesome team. As we put these trailers together, they are just amazing.
Where we're located happens to be in the heart of Amish country, and the majority of our team consists of local Amish tradesmen. One thing that the Ohio Amish are known for is their quality craftsmanship, and that is what really sets our campers apart. Everything that we build and that they touch is done with the utmost level of care.
We have an incredible team that always go the extra mile to provide an unmatched level of quality, and we never settle for good enough. We strive for excellence in every single thing we do every day.
It begins with the design. We do our research and find materials that are not typically used by other manufacturers. From there, everything is assembled by hand to ensure that we produce the highest quality campers possible. It's people that really make nuCamp special. From our friendly nuCamp dealers, to our vibrant owners community, to our dedicated customer service team. We're all here to make sure you have an amazing camping experience. From the beginning, we've seen ourselves as the leader, the trendsetter in the teardrop market. We tip our hat to history, but also strive to do things differently by fusing Ohio Amish craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Your happiness is our #1 priority, and we proudly guarantee the product to be exceptional. Your purchase is more than just a camper. You become a member of the nuCamp family. Come and visit us.